What's up? This is Mike. Thought I'd do an unboxing on these new awesome shoes that my wife got me for Valentine's. These are new Nike SB Chron 2 Skate in Sangria and Hibiscus. These shoes are super cool. Check this out. Pull all the paper. Blue on the insides, purple, red, yellow. These shoes are technically called Sangria with Hibiscus, and I think there's another letter on another color on there too. But check that out. Super dope. Cool shoe. Gotta have your style game on point. You rocking these mothers. All right, hope you dig it.